Alright, so we've been talking about the Cadillac, the wrecked Cadillac for a while. So what we have over here, let me move the camera and you can kind of see what I'm working on here. What this is the third brake light assembly that goes in that piece that I painted the other day. And the unfortunate problem is that these are a neon type, like a xenon bulb. And I believe what happened is I believe that this main unit actually got full of water. As a matter of fact, I think you can probably see by the looks of this thing. In fact, let me just pull that plug out of there. And you can see how much water got in there. So what that's going to do for us is that's going to make it nearly impossible to fix this thing in a budget. So what I could do is just glue it back together and just leave it on there and not worry about it. But I had an idea to maybe eliminate all this. I'm sure that this thing's probably damaged inside. Look at the rust of it. So we set that aside. And here's something that I picked up off eBay. Let you look at that and see what you think. Now, I don't know exactly how this stuff is put together. I haven't looked at it enough. But let me show you something that you might be interested in. Alright, so I've got a little Milwaukee battery here. Let's see if I can get it right here. Nope. There we go. So what I'm thinking is somehow let me see if I can show you here. I'm going to just kind of put this on my lap here a second. About that. What do you think about that? Glue it in there all the way, clamp it down, that looks like the third brake light to me. That's pretty nice looking if you ask me. Considering I probably paid $6 for this. And this piece over here, they don't make this separate. And Cadillac wants a fortune for this taillight. So I'm thinking, I don't know about you, but I'm thinking redneck this thing together, but in a good way. And see how that works for us. Alright, let's see what we can do. Put in this 3M super yellow adhesive. Alright, so I've got that piece set inside here just to see what it looks like, and then got that side clamped. See, it's a three-way. It's got 3 layers in there. It should be bright enough. So we get our clamps in here. That'll hold it all into place. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put hot glue in there. I'm going to put it down in the edges right in here. This is what it is. Then I'm going to put it right up here. And hold everything in place. Instead of using a glue gun, I'm going to use just a torch, just so that it heats it up quicker. What are you doing? Come here. There she is. It's America. What you doing, girl? What are you doing? Just being friendly today? I bet you probably just want food, don't you? Yeah. Just wanting food. Is that it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good girl, huh? There you go. It's on your head. Make sure too that none of that glue is bleeding through here, because there are some gaps that I got to be careful with. I want to try and seal them up, but you can't have the glue too hot or it'll roll right behind the light I put in there. So looks like it's trying to. I've got some pretty solid edges here. It's nice and strong. I'm going to put a little bit more in these corners. Still can't see what I'm doing down here, but I have no camera skills whatsoever. Apologize about that. Well, it don't look very pretty, but I think it's going to work. I've got a little bit of scraping to do with this extra glue here so it'll fit back in the chassis here. And I think this is actually filled with hot glue in here as well, so I might take and warm this up a little bit and kind of clear these channels out so this will fit a little bit better. Kind of snaps together that way, but I'm going to have to figure out why it got full of rust right down in there. I don't think that's cracked or anything, so it must have. It didn't come in through this seal right here, so I got a feeling it probably went through this edge. That edge just got to where it was compromised over time. Anyway, I'm going to give you a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. And we will definitely see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.